What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a huge delivery from Dinan for the BMW E36 M3. So we're gonna make a quick Starbucks run and actually make this vlog an unboxing video of what I've ordered for the BMW. So let's run to Starbucks and meet you guys back at the house.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone.
Alright guys, so we're back at the house, and in that huge box, I'm not gonna clickbait this video, are my suspension components. These my springs, my struts, my shocks, everything that I ordered directly from Dinan. I finally received it, and it was a very long time coming because I was so confused with what suspension I wanted to do on the BMW M3. Now if you're new to the channel, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my E36 that I have behind me. So this is a 97 BMW E36 M3 that I picked up as a project car for the channel, and it's like my quest to perfection with this car. I want to make this car as good as it was from new, even better. So when I was trying to buy parts, because I did a full inspection on the car and there was a lot of issues with it, I started fixing it. And if you're new, subscribe first. Second off, check out the other videos on the channel when I'm doing a lot of DIY projects on this E36 M3. Everything that I'm ordering is OEM products. I really want to make this car pristine, and like I mentioned a lot, better than new. And I know it's hard to do that, but you know, it's possible. Everything is possible. So why did I pick Dinan? The BMW E36 M3 has so many different options when you're coming to picking suspension. You could get coilovers, you could get springs, you could do so much to this car. A lot of people build drift cars, a lot of people do different types of projects depending on what you want out of your car, and if you want to make an individual spec for yourself, for who you are as a person. So to me, this car right here, I want to make it basically like a museum mint condition car. It's a one owner car with only 73,000 miles on the odometer. So I could have went the OEM way and just got sacks, shocks and struts. I did not want to do that. The springs I did not need to replace, but I decided that, you know what, I'll go Dinan route. Now I had a Dinan car before. I had an F10 BMW 550 X-Drive that I did Dinan software upgrade, and Dinan does not void warranty, and there's actually dealers that you can go and buy Dinan products from. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do Dinan. It's not gonna hurt resale value, even though I'm not planning on selling this car, but Dinan will be a good option for me, for who I am and what I want out of this car. It's not a track car. It's gonna be a car that me and wife are gonna take to local BMW shows, and maybe if we're gonna get a trailer, we'll just trail it to shows. I don't accumulate a lot of miles because my cars that I have right here are practically like OEM examples that I want to keep for a very long run. This is like long haul type of collection that I'm trying to have. So I thought Dinan would be the best for me. So let's unbox it, see what's inside, because I've actually never seen Dinan struts and Coney shocks. Check out what's going on, and this car is gonna go to the shop probably, because I don't think I'm gonna be working on this project myself, this one in particular, but we'll figure it out. And by the way, if you missed my last video, I was telling you guys that I think the control arm bushings are shot, and I lubricated them, and you know what, they are. So I'm going to be replacing the control arm bushing with the lollipop assembly itself all together. So stay tuned for that. But let's unbox this and figure out what is inside of that box. Alright guys, so I'm doing the unboxing with you guys. I actually did not open this box. Super excited. Cannot wait. This is my first time doing a suspension on a BMW. Like I said, I did the Dinan work on my F10, but this is something new to me. I did not want to touch the suspension, but since my shocks and struts are shot, might as well do a complete overhaul. It'll last longer, and hopefully it'll drive much better. So let's cut open this box. Check out the Coney struts, shocks, and the Dinan springs. Now I tried to do a lot of research on the Dinan springs to see how good the reviews are. There aren't that many reviews on them. So guess what? I'll give you guys an ownership review of how it feels to drive a Dinan suspension car, especially an E36. So these are my Koni shocks and struts, my paperwork, which I'm gonna put with all of my other paperwork for the car, which is very important because I have a big folder. Let's look at the springs. Alright. Dark blue, yellow struts with a yellow car. It's gonna look good. Here you go. Whoever's looking at it first time, I'm with you. I've never seen these, never held them. They don't have any type of Dinan logo or anything on them, so it's just dark blue. Looks like they're painted, but can't wait to actually put them on. So this is gonna be a shop car. Shop is gonna do it. I'm not gonna do this project myself. Alright guys, so we unboxed it, we checked it out. We have the Koni struts, the Dinan springs. They're just simply painted blue, no logo, nothing on it. So you know what? All we have to do is just basically put it on the car. We'll take the car to the shop, have everything installed, get our alignment, make sure everything's perfect. And you know what? We'll do a reveal video on that next. And then after that, after a few weeks of driving it, I'll actually give you guys a review on how it feels to drive a Dinan Stage 1 suspension on a BMW E36. Hopefully it'll be helpful for a lot of other people that are out there searching for suspension choices for the E36 M3. Like I said, I was confused, and my last final debates were between getting H&R OE springs, which actually fit only a 95 model E36, and I'd have to do and get parts from a 95 to completely make it fit well. So I was like, you know what, I'll stick to Dinan. It'll be more of an OEM type of a car because it's all original, and that's that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog style unboxing video that I did for you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video, hopefully the one that we're going to be dropping off the car to the shop to get the installation done. And after that, we'll have a lot more videos on the E36 M3. Thanks again for joining in. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.